Convert an exponential statement to an equivalent logarithmic statement. Now, to solve either exponential or logarithmic, it's important to be able to switch between these kind of statements. So first, thinking about the equivalency statement. The logarithmic statement, y equals the log of x base b, is true if and only if the exponential statement x equals b to the y power is also true. So these are the two equivalent statements. Now I want you to take a look at these and just look at what you see. The base of the logarithm is b. The base of the exponent is b. So that is always where I start. What is the base? Because we know the base is going to be the same in both statements. And then the way I remember it, if we have the logarithm, which is log of x base b, then when I go to my equivalent statement with a base of b, x can't be the power because x is already with b in the logarithm. So I just switch the x and the y. Okay, so thinking about that again, the base stays the same, we switch the two numbers, and that is how you create equivalency statements. So let's do the first one. Convert 3 to the 4th equals 81 to an equivalent logarithmic statement. So first, notice the base of the exponent is 3. Right? This is where I always start. The base of the exponent is 3. So that means that 3 will also be the base of the logarithmic statement. So we're going to have a base of 3, and then again we're going to switch the x and the y, or the 4 and the 81 are going to flip sides. So I'm going to have the log of 81 base 3, because in the exponential statement, 4 is with the 3. So when I switch to logarithmic, the 81 has to be with the 3. So log of 81 base 3 equals 4. Just kind of get that in your mind that we just switch the two numbers that are not the base. Let's look at one more. Convert 1/4 equals 2 to the negative 2 to an equivalent logarithmic statement. Well, again, we have a base of the exponent is 2. So we know the base of the logarithm will be 2. Therefore, we flip the numbers. So log of 1/4 base 2 equals negative 2. Just switch the 1/4 and the negative 2 to the opposite sides. So if you can identify the base of the exponent, make that the base of the logarithm, flip the sides of the two numbers, and you have yourself an equivalent logarithmic statement.